In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Notion. This is a simple and effective way to let people book time with you directly from a Notion page. If you use Notion for client portals, team pages, personal dashboards, or project workspaces, embedding your Calendly calendar can make scheduling much easier and more professional. Instead of sending people to a separate booking page, you can place the calendar right where they already are. To get started, open Calendly and go to your dashboard. From there, find the event or profile that you want to share inside Notion. This could be a single meeting type, like a 30-minute call, or your main scheduling page if you want to give people multiple options. Once you've found the correct page, copy the Calendly link. Make sure you copy the exact link you want visitors to use, because that's the version that will appear inside Notion. Next, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to add your booking calendar. You can place it on a team page, a workspace homepage, a client-facing page, or anywhere else it makes sense for your workflow. Before you embed it, take a moment to decide where it should go on the page so it feels easy to find and fits naturally with the rest of your content. Now, click into the Notion page and type /embed. When the embed option appears, press enter. This tells Notion that you want to insert content from another platform directly into the page. It's one of the easiest ways to bring external tools into your workspace without needing any coding or complicated setup. After that, paste your Calendly link into the box that appears. Then click Create Embed. Notion will load the Calendly page right inside your document, allowing visitors to interact with it without leaving Notion. Depending on your layout, you may want to resize the embed so it looks cleaner and gives enough space for the booking interface to display properly. Once the calendar appears, it's a good idea to preview it and make sure everything loads correctly. If you are sharing the Notion page with others, double-check that the page permissions are set the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Calendly with Notion. Thanks for watching.